In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs in Slack. GIFs can be a fun and expressive way to communicate, and they can add a bit of personality to your messages. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open the specific Slack channel or direct message where you want to share your GIF. Just head to your Slack application and find the conversation that you want to enrich with a little animated magic. Now, take a look at the text message input field at the bottom of your screen, and you'll notice a small plus sign or a plus icon located just to the left of that field. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up options that allow you to share various media, including GIFs. If you haven't shared GIFs in that particular conversation before, you may need to enable the GIF feature. So, keep an eye out for an option that says Enable GIF. If you see it, click on that. If you don't see this option, it means that GIFs are already enabled for this chat and you can skip to the next step without any worries. Now, we're ready to find the perfect GIF. Click into the GIF search field that appears after you've enabled the option. This is your creative space where you can explore all kinds of animated images. Think of a short, clear keyword that captures the sentiment you're aiming for. For example, if you want to send a congratulatory message, you might type in "congrats." If it's a cheerful greeting, "good morning" could do the trick. If you're expressing gratitude, try "thank you." Once you type that keyword, you will see a variety of GIFs pop up. Take a moment to scroll through the results to find one that you like. And if you don't find exactly what you're looking for, don't hesitate to try typing a synonym or a different keyword. The beauty of GIFs is that there's a wealth of choices out there. Once you've found the perfect GIF, click on it to attach it to your message composer. After clicking, you should see a quick preview of the GIF right there. Here's a fun tip. If you want to add a personal touch, you can type in an accompanying caption in the text field next to the GIF. Something like, "Great job on the launch," could really make your message shine. Finally, take a moment to review everything. Make sure you're happy with the GIF and any text you've added. When everything looks good to you, simply press Enter or click the Send button to post it to the channel. And just like that, your GIF is now part of your conversation, ready to bring some smiles. So there you have it. You've learned how to send GIFs in Slack. It's a straightforward process that can really add some fun to team chats and personal messages alike. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to